You ever get asked something and your brain just freezes? Like,
Totally agree.
completely blank. And all you can say is, I don't know. But deep
Right.
down, you do know. That sounded kinda lame. I've been there. Too many times.
Oh, yeah, I say I don't know at least twice a day. And then 5 seconds later, I'm like,
Aha.
did I just kill the vibe of this whole conversation?
For me, it's worse when I do care about the topic, but I still sound like I wasn't even listening. Not a great look
Right.
when you're trying to sound smart. I don't know yet, but I'd love to find out.
Ah, yes, the infamous, I don't
Really,
know.
right?
It's honest, but let's be real. It's also flat. You can keep the truth and still sound confident, curious, even cool.
Really, right?
Let's upgrade those replies. Right here, right now. All right, team, time to level up. Let's turn I don't know into something that keeps the convo flowing.
I'm not sure about that, actually. It's gentle, but not clueless.
That's a good question. I'll have to think about it.
I'm blank right now, but now you've got me curious.
No clue, honestly. Got any ideas?
That shows you're taking it seriously.
Sounds chill, right? Now we're moving into the curious and engaged zone. Okay, I love no clue, honestly. Got any ideas? That's the new me.
If you want to flip it into a thoughtful convo, try, I haven't thought about that. What's your take? Or, interesting. What makes you ask? Ooh, great.
Super relatable. We turned awkward silence into confident energy. I'm proud of us.
Beats me, but I'm all ears if you've got something. That one's totally me. And beats me, but I'm all ears feels natural and curious. Want to sound polished? Try, that's outside my lane, but I'd be happy to look into it.
So next time you're clueless, don't freeze, don't fake it. Just keep it real, stay curious, and keep vibing.
Right.
Exactly. Now you're being honest,
Totally agree.
but also open, thoughtful, and 100% in control of the vibe. You just gave I don't know a personality.
Really, right?
That's what powerful communication looks like. Tiny phrases, big shift, massive impact. Or, I can't give you a solid answer right now, but let's circle back later. Professional but still approachable.
Don't be awkward. Be authentic. Subscribe for more modern English magic.